day you decided to wash your hair.
Don't do this. This is a bad idea.
Hi.
Hi. Say hi, Lily.
You always have to vlog first thing in the morning.
It's vlog with a V, Mom, not blog.
Hey, wait, I have makeup on?
No, just say hi.
Hi, vlog.
Good morning. It is, what time? 8:01.
I don't know. We all got up super early.
Yeah, we all got up super early because we're gonna go on a helicopter this morning, but they delayed us. So now we're not going until 12. So we have time. So everyone's just kind of like getting ready, but slowly relaxing. I think we're gonna have breakfast now. And everyone's just here hanging out in my apartment, and it's been really fun. We're all just talking and having a slumber party and having a girls' weekend. So, yeah. Lily, say hi. Lily, up. I've been trying to teach her tricks. Up. Lily, spin, spin. Good girl! Good girl! Good spin! Now I feel bad that I didn't actually have a treat. Good girl! That was so good! Oh, Lily.
It's time to do
I'm so excited.
Oh,
Hi. Hi.
Hey guys, I'm ready and we are finally here at Elite, what is it called? Elite Helicopter Tours. And everyone's here and I'm going to interview each person and ask them how they're feeling about this. And then I'm going to interview them again afterwards to see how they're feeling about this. The Emily's. Oh, by the way, this is Emily and then another Emily.
Emily Marie.
So for this trip, it's Emma and M.
And we have the same middle name.
Yeah, Emily Marie. Emily Marie. So tell us how you feel about this helicopter tour trip.
I'm excited for it, but I do feel a little lightheaded, and it's not because I'm nervous, it's because the California
Kardashian.
height.
Sounds so
She sounds like a Kardashian. I am so nervous.
I'm like really lightheaded.
Literally? My daughter's so mean, guys.
She's literally so mean.
Literally.
Okay,
I can't.
I can't. I just can't.
We're Miami girls, not Kardashians. I'm super pumped. Stoked. Yes.
Yay! Dad, say hi to my vlog.
You guys are gonna be fine. You guys are gonna be good. Have fun.
By the way, I'm getting a tattoo later today with everybody.
What is it gonna say?
It's gonna say BU.
No. That was not the deal.
I think it is. Okay, I love you.
That was not the deal.
Yeah, it is. So tell us how you feel about the helicopter
I
ride.
am very excited and very nervous at the same time, but excited because 2017 is about new adventures for me.
Yay! Woo! Toast to that.
I feel very excited because first of all, we came here and they gave us candy.
Okay, first of all, why am I not her background?
We got candy.
Like, why am I not your background? Who the hell is this?
Okay, so I'm very excited. I love helicopters. It's gonna be a fun experience.
Show them your new lashes. She got lashes
yes.
like mine.
Look
Isn't it so pretty? And they look so natural.
I love them. Alright, that's it.
I'm nervous.
Are you really nervous? Are you scared of heights?
I am.
She's scared of heights.
I don't like flying.
I'm not afraid of heights. I'm just...
Why? Nothing's gonna happen. What the fuck is this?
That 2-0. What do you say?
Okay, so Mom, how do you feel about the helicopter ride?
No, they're like, they're like, listen. I think I'll just fly.
No comment.
The helicopter's like broken right now.
The thing she makes me do. Let's just talk about that.
You fine, then stay here. You don't have to go
You
up.
come with me though.
I'm nervous. I can't say I'm not because I always am.
Yeah.
But I know it'll be wonderful and beautiful and amazing, but I always get nervous at the beginning. That's just me.
I feel you're paying around.
You'll be fine, I promise.
I know. I feel like...
When it doesn't go my way, I know that it is not the end. trusting you have better plans I haven't even dreamt of yet. I know that you will for me when everything's against me. I put all my hope in you, Jesus. I will trust you. I will trust you. I know you never fail. I will trust you, Jesus. I will. Jesus, I will. Can we sing? I don't know how the story ends, but I know that you finished it. I close my eyes and just let go and fall into my only hope. There's safety in the falling when I surrender fully. I put all my hope in you, Jesus. Jesus, I will trust you. I will trust you. I know you never fail. I will trust you, Jesus. I will. I will. Jesus, I will. I will. The only thing I know is God, you're in control. In every little detail, you are close. I'll never be alone. And here in the unknown, the power of your presence.
Ready? Wait. You get all the nerds.
Here.
Where are the other
Oh,
people?
there's a Tootsie Pop.
I'll
Tootsie
just
Pop
take all of
lollipop.
these. And then just take some of these little thingies. Thanks, Mom. But what are you doing? You're digging like deep
No, because I
in
want a
there.
Laffy Taffy. There's no
Laffy Taffy.
Hi guys, it's Jessica's mom.
And we're on the second floor of Nordstrom having our lunch.
At the Grove in LA.
And she's not vlogging right now because she is
Cranky.
cranky.
Cranky pants.
She's maybe still hungry.
She's hangry.
Let's talk about Jessica and when she's in a bad mood. No, it's that time of the month.
Is it?
Yeah, it's that time of the month. Jessica, how do you feel about this?
Hi. I'm not Jessica.
That's Jessica.
Hi.
That's Jessica.
Jessica, why are you upset?
I don't know. I'm cranky.
Tag down below if you what did you say?
Comment down below.
Comment down below if you get mad when you get your period.
You guys are not gonna believe where we are. Where are we?
We're at a tattoo shop.
So Maria over here is being so brave and she's getting a tattoo. Tell them what you're getting.
My kid's initials.
Where? So she's gonna get, how is it? D-N-E?
D-N-E.
Are you getting it like in cursive?
I don't know yet.
Okay, so that's what she's getting. And I'm gonna get a tattoo that says BU. Where's my phone? Oh, I just put it in my bag. So I'm gonna get a tattoo that says BU in a very like small, like thin font. But I just don't know exactly what I want it yet. But everyone says it's gonna be super cute, so we'll see. My mom is gonna take over the vlog, even though she kind of took over this morning when I was
I have to
cranky.
stay outside because we have Lily.
Oh, is she not allowed inside then?
Not allowed inside.
I'm so nervous. Are you nervous? You excited? You're not scared of the pain? Oh no, I'm like so nervous. Well, I haven't had children, so I don't know. Where should I get it though? You know where. Oh my god, they want me to get it like on my hip, but I don't know. What did it hurt? Mom, I need help.
What do you need help with, baby?
Where am I gonna get my tattoo?
I said right here.
My hip?
Yeah, here.
Are you sure?
Yeah, because if you have,
Wrong.
I say your hip. Look right here. Yeah, hip or ankle. No, okay. Hip right here.
Where? Yeah.
Right here, so it covers like if your underwear or your bathing suit.
I don't know. I really don't know where I want to get it. Maria, I'm so excited for you.
My baby.
Can you record? Okay, so I decided where I want to do it, and I'm gonna do it right here on like the side. I'm really nervous.
It's gonna look good. It's gonna look
You think it's gonna come out good, or should I just not do it?
I think it's gonna look really pretty.
Look, I changed my earrings.
Oh, that one looks so cute. Oh my god, she changed her earrings. So cute. And what if I'm like not in love with it? I feel like it's I don't know.
Alright guys,
Videotaping.
I know she has the camera right now. So it would look.
this is what it's gonna look like. Super simple, be you. I love it. Looks good.
I don't know, I'm nervous. Felix, don't hate me. I love you so much. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. You're getting mad at me. I just want it to be that like when I see you and we're like in the moment, you just look at me. Yeah, when we're in the moment, you're gonna look at me and be like, what is that?
Excuse me, guys.
Yeah.
Sorry.
This is my life, guys. You have to understand that I'm 20 years old and it's what happens. And then you're gonna look at it and be like, oh my god, you're so sexy. At least that's what I hope. But you know, nothing turns out as planned.
Let's see the font. Let's see the font.
Are you sure?
I'm
This
sure.
font? Like, is your heart telling you
I
yes?
told you yes. I wanted to do one that says deliverance.
Maria's doing it over there.
Guys, this is videotape, so I have proof that if anything happens, I'm blaming it on everybody else.
What do you think about Jessica's tattoo?
I love it. I think it's beautiful and sexy.
What do you think? I think you have the best.
Did you see it?
Yes, I showed her. She's really pretty.
I like
You
it.
really think so? Like,
I like it.
Lily, what do you think? Lily, what do you think?
A little bit higher.
okay, is it gonna hurt a lot? Like that is that?
Honestly, that's gonna take.
3 minutes. 3 minutes of pain.
I have to go to the bathroom. You doing good?
Oh my god, she's gonna start now. She's gonna start now.
Oh, you haven't started?
No, she's gonna start now.
Oh, you're starting now. Record it. Okay, I have to see. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Do you like it?
Love it. You know what? Maybe right here.
He's probably freaking out.
I love it. I love it. Turn to the side. How come it's not focusing? There. I love it, Jessica. It looks so good. Good you.
First tattoo.
Yeah.
That's the worst place to get. Constellation arrow.
How do you feel for getting your first tattoo? I'm so proud of you.
Did it hurt?
It did hurt. Well, once it started, it's like I can't stop.
I know. She was saying that was like the most painful place.
It hurt a lot. No, it actually started hurting more as I went. Emily, tell everyone what you're getting. Oh my god, you're so excited. Okay. I'm not ready to talk about my tattoo yet, so not ready to talk about
You don't have a
it.
choice because it's not coming out.
Yeah, it's not coming out now.
Yeah, excited.
I love this thing. Do you like it for real?
I love it. I'm not not kidding. Dude, when you wear shirts that show it, it looks so good.
You don't think it looks too to the back? Like if it should have been more forward?
No, perfect spot. Perfect spot.
No, it's perfect. I'm sorry, I'm nervous. Okay, recording while I look at my now. I'm getting ready. This is, what's your name?
Dom.
What's your Instagram?
Dom's piercings.
Ah.
Dom or D-O-M?
Are you ready?
And I will tell you when to take a deep breath all the way in through your nose, breathe all the way out through your mouth. On the breath out, we're gonna pierce.
Mom, someone needs to hold your hand. Emily, right? That didn't hurt at all.
A little bit, but not much. Not much.
Awesome. I know, I cried. I was like,
That's the part
See, I like for me, she didn't do it that quick. She was like, okay, I'm gonna do it.
not that bad.
All right, 1, okay, 2, and I was like, oh hell
do it
no.
already.
Like, let me see.
much better. It looks good.
Oh, it looks so good. Guys, this vlog is gonna be dope. We went on a helicopter ride, got tattoos,
piercings. I mean, talk about the LA experience.
Yeah, talk about LA experience, girls weekend to the max.
Oh my god.